Imagine investing in a legacy, a thriving source of prosperity in Odogwa Iche, here in Rivers State. Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Sunaya Banga Farm. Bros, sister, this place now where you will get steady cash flow when jungle don't mature. With a plot of 456 square meter at just 750,000 naira, you are getting more than just a plot. Your investment covers planting, maintenance, and security for 1 whole year. Now, here's the catch. There is access roads to your farm so that you can always go and check how your investments are doing. Also, when your banga is ready, you don't need to go and look for who will buy your banga. There are people already waiting for your banga to be ready, and then they buy immediately. So the stress of selling your banga has been relieved of you. Of course, it's going to be sold at the market price at the time of harvest. Also, expert farm management and services guaranteed your investment is always in a safe hand. Enjoy high return on investments and peace of mind with deed of conveyance and registered survey plan for your plots. Join the Banga Farm family today and grow your wealth with the power of nature. Call these numbers now to learn more about this and book for a free site inspection. Get started.